All right, welcome back. Brett here with clickmail.co. In this video, we're going to be looking at video pages. So we're going to go ahead and go down there. And now you'll notice we do have some video pages. And the reason, I guess I'll share with, okay, so you can see we didn't have any videos ranking and we weren't even trying to rank for videos. So that partly makes a lot of sense. But we do have on some of our articles corresponding YouTube videos to kind of marry the YouTube channel with the website a little bit, to get some traffic flowing back and forth, to get some more views going into the YouTube channel. Not that we want people going over to YouTube, but that we can supplement really high quality blogs with a good video, increase engagement time on our blogs, and then boost, site ranking. Now, we did start ranking here, and you'll notice we bumped up and started getting 3 videos ranked, and now we're at 4. And the reason for this is Google has actually changed their criteria for ranking videos. Now, why aren't we ranking in this case? Well, in this case, it is because this is called video pages. We have pages with video, but we don't really have video pages. We don't have pages where the video is filmed and the whole content supports that video. Usually it's the video supporting the content. And so that's generally going to be the reason these aren't ranking. And we haven't really built pages with that intent in mind. But either way, you'll see here, video is not the main content of the page. There you can see it's exactly what I said. And you'll come down here and you can see we do have videos on all of these pages, but again, it's the blog really that's the main content. So we'd have to kind of restructure those pages, make sure that video is right at the top, front and center, and then whatever we keyword targeted that video to, or targeting that content to the same content, maybe breaking down and notes of that video, something more like this lesson you're on. This video is the main feature of the page. So this is video pages, same thing. Let's say you go in, you restructure all the client's content, all your content, and you're ready. You can validate the fix and you'll start seeing, assuming you do it well, those videos are going to start showing up and ranking better in search results. All right. And I want to clarify, the videos themselves are not going to rank through YouTube or Vimeo or whatever you use to host the videos. The page on your website will rank better as a video page because you've optimized the video as the featured element. All right. We'll see you in the next video where we're going to get into sitemaps. We'll see you there.